Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The summer heat is rising, so today I'm going to show you some DIY solutions for cooling down your room without an air conditioning unit. Of course, this is aside from our common Pinoy solutions like the humidifier, electric fans, or ice and electric fans. I live in Pangasinan, so these tricks have been a lifesaver for me during those hot summer days. So first up, we have the wet walls trick. This may sound strange, but it really works. All you need to do is wet the walls of the fences outside your window with a hose. It instantly cools down the air that touches the walls. Also, as the water evaporates, it will create a cooling effect that can make a big difference in the temperature of your surroundings. You can also use a water sprinkler to cool down the air that enters your room. I bought this one at Wilcon at around 700 pesos only. And I put it in my garden right in front of the window when it's hot. This helps to cool down the air before it enters the room, and it also adds a nice relaxing sound to the space. Now let's talk about plants. Did you know that plants can help to naturally cool your room? Plants release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration, which can help to lower the temperature. I've added some potted plants to my room like snake plants and rainforest plants to help keep things cool and fresh. Lastly, I've installed insulation foam on my glass windows. This helps to keep the heat out during the day and the cool air in at night. You can find insulation foam at most hardware stores, and it's easy to install it yourself. Light curtains and blinds are of course the ultimate solution, but I still add insulation during summertime. So there you have it guys, my top DIY solutions for cooling down your room without air conditioning. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these tricks or if you have any other tips for staying cool in the summer heat. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.